Hi, I'm here with Christoffer at LumberScan. Tell me, Christoffer, what is LumberScan doing?
So basically, LumberScan is a self-service platform that helps our customer to perform quick, easy, and transparent inventory reports. And we're targeting the wood industry today. So we're basically operational at sawmills, pulp mills, board factories, and biofuel plants. So, yeah.
What about the customers? I mean, for a startup, it can be difficult to reach that first customer. Can you tell us about your journey a little bit?
Yeah, basically, this is the master thesis from SLU in the beginning, back in 2015. And basically, we had one customer, a small sawmill up in the north of Sweden that got bought by Holmen. And from there, kind of took off, When Holmen saw our technology, we have expanded all through Sweden, and now we're trying to take over the world, basically.
So tell me about that journey. I mean, how was it to get on hold of that customer, and what is your next step? Can we dive a little bit deeper into that?
Yeah, sure. So basically, from the beginning, with Holmen, it was just a rollout within that company. Then we started to get in contact. I would say it's not the biggest circle of customers in Sweden, but we got in contact with a couple other guys. They started growing, and our plan was basically to grow in Sweden. Then, actually, through Ignite, we got a call from a Canadian company, and we were like, okay, let's look into this. And basically from there, we changed plans from just growing within Sweden to actually opening an office also in Canada. So, yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
So what's the next step now?
I would say, seeing that, of course, we want to grow with our customers, but we also want to have control over our platform as we can support our customers within, the language barriers, seeing that we have offers out in 22 different countries. And I would say the language barrier is basically the biggest obstacle not to grow faster, but seeing English is still the household language within North America and in Europe too. So we're targeting Europe and North America, basically because of language. Yeah.
So if you could have a dream customer or maybe a call to action to those who's listening, what's the next step for you?
I would say it's basically to reach out to more customers and trade shows. We've been to a couple of trade shows, had very good response from the guys and girls we met over there. And yeah, we just want to meet new customers, The bigger, the better.
The bigger, the better.
Yeah.
That's perfect. So good luck to you, Christoffer, and crossing my fingers that you will reach that global scale soon. Thank you.
Thank you.